The concept of a millionaire mindset is something that has been popularized by many self-help authors and motivational speakers. It is the belief that one can become a millionaire if they are willing to set their sights higher and have the commitment and dedication to reach their goals. While the concept of a millionaire mindset is often seen as something of a gimmick, there are several key steps that can be taken to develop the millionaire mindset. 1. Believe in yourself. Believe that you are capable of achieving your financial goals, and take action to make it happen. If you are confident in your abilities to succeed, then you will be more likely to take risks and move ahead instead of staying rooted in the same spot. 2. Set goals and work to achieve them. The key to developing a millionaire mindset is to set high goals and strive to achieve them. Having clear and achievable goals will help to motivate you and keep you on track. Aim for something big and break it down into smaller, more achievable goals. It is important to remember that success doesn't happen overnight. It takes hard work and dedication to reach any level of financial success. 3. Take risks. When it comes to achieving a millionaire mindset, you have to be willing to take risks. This means taking calculated risks and understanding that you may not always succeed. However, it is important to understand that taking risks can be beneficial and can lead to greater success. 4. Develop a positive mindset. Developing a positive mindset is essential for achieving a millionaire mindset. Think positively and focus on what you can do to reach your goals. A positive attitude and outlook will help to keep you motivated and on track. 5. Take action and keep learning. Taking action and having a consistent hard work ethic is the key to achieving success. So be sure to take the necessary steps to reach your financial goals. Also, keep learning ways to further increase your income by reading up on financial topics or taking courses to keep up to date with the changing market and economic landscape. 6. Surround yourself with like-minded people. Surrounding yourself with people who have a similar mindset can be very beneficial. People who are successful and have a similar mindset can offer valuable advice and support. Networking with like-minded people can also lead to new opportunities. 7. Invest. Investing is another important factor in developing a millionaire mindset. Investing can be a great way to grow your wealth and can help you to achieve financial security. However, it is important to understand the risks associated with investing and to choose investments that are suitable for your individual situation. Developing a millionaire mindset is not something that happens overnight. However, it takes time and dedication to reach your goals. Following these steps can help you to develop the millionaire mindset and achieve the success that you desire. Building wealth doesn't come easy, and it takes time, and you need to be intentional about it in order to reach the millionaire status. By following the tips in this video, you can begin to improve your finances and set yourself on the right track to financial freedom and security. All you need to do is have faith in yourself and remember that setting and attaining financial goals is an ongoing process. Go to link in description to download your free Think Like a Millionaire checklist.